Happy 7th of May from this nudist beach in the nature reserve in Naka. This beautiful nature landscape you can see over here. It's absolutely amazing with all the rocks and all the green nature all around. It's amazing. You can see also there my bike over there, my Scott, and the beautiful lake of Källtorpssjön. You can find at this place your own inner peace while sunbathing, because this part of the nature reserve is facing south, so you will have sun all day long. And yes, it is beach day number 28 of my Sweden beach adventures, and I am out for quick beach adventure today in this beautiful place in Naka. This is a spot marked on the Nudist Föreningens badkarta, and it is an actual nudist beach, and I actually visited this one last year on a more cloudy day, so I'm really glad that there is lots of sunshine today despite being only 11 degrees Celsius in the air, and the water temperature says 10 degrees. It's lovely. This is the highest temperature I have measured so far this year, and it looks absolutely stunning if you looked over there at the huge rock formations around this beautiful lake. As I mentioned, it is located in the Naka Nature Reserve, and it's beautiful. You can do some hiking, running, walking, and of course swimming in the lake of Källtorpssjön. Now let's then get ready to take a swim, and here we have nice spot, as I see, to go into the beautiful lake. So let's go, let's have a swim on this wonderful sunny Wednesday, 7th of May. Unbelievable that the nature is so beautiful in Stockholm, despite being not the warmest, and the lake here looks very clean, and it is a type of dystrophic lake actually, as the color is a bit more on the brownish side, but that definitely does not mean that it's not clean. It's just that type of lake. It's amazing. Woohoo. Okay, let's go in first with the feet and legs before we embrace on a swim. That's going to be a bit longer today as it is 10 degrees. New record. And it is my second time I'm visiting this lake. I visited the Norra Källtorpsbadet, which is a public beach on the other side of the lake. They had a new jetty over there. So yeah, cool. All right, let's then embrace the beautiful sunny day and take a swim right here. It's beautiful. I love this feeling. I love this feeling. This is my highlight of the day for sure. Well, maybe not today because it's gonna be the first semi-final of the Eurovision Song Contest later, and that's gonna be my highlight of the day. I'm gonna watch with some nice company, friends, and yes, I'm predicting also all the qualifiers on my other social media channels, including YouTube also. So I'm a great big Eurovision fan, and I look forward to the Eurovision week that is ongoing right now. So yeah, happy Eurovision week, and greetings from this nudist beach in the nature reserve of Naka at Källtorpssjön lake. Thank you so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Grace.